today, I suppose, is going to be about trying to fix some of the mistakes that have been made, mainly on, well, all on my part, and get things squared out so that, they're right. So I gotta stop kicking myself for a minute and actually get things done the way they need to be done. Suppose I'm taking y'all with me. Well, as you can tell, one of my roosting bars, actual supports, I had a mishap with. Apparently we didn't get far enough in, so I'm gonna have to reattach this. But I figured I'd show you what I'm doing, and then we'll get it caught up after. Alright. Quick and simple fix. Went back about 1/4 of an inch. Went more at an angle than the previous one was so that it actually grabs better. And then saw this one was kind of close too, so I didn't want to take that chance, so I went further back on it as well. But should be okay. They still need moved this morning, but haven't quite gotten to that point. Chicken tractor mended. Now I gotta redo shelves. So we're gonna try and do this the correct way the first time. Well, I suppose this is the second time, but we're gonna try and get it right. And again, thank you for the recommendations on the diagonal bar. I will be putting that in on this one. Shelves are in and restocked. Gary Ann has definitely done a lot of canning. Anything coming out to the edge is 3 cans deep, or 3 jars deep. But now there's a more structurally sound place to put them. Well, Seth is currently trying to build an A-frame so that he can attach a small wagon to the back end of his bike so that he can haul down some kindling for the neighbor. So I'm going to give him a hand with that. Try and see what we can come up with that'll work for it.
Yes.
But y'all don't want to watch that in real time because, yeah. Well, first attempt was no good, and now the second attempt is no good. This is going to be pasta sauce. Gary Ann had to do some running today, so I've been trying to help out. Seth jumped in and helped me cut up some green peppers, but that's gonna make a good amount more of pasta sauce. But I figured I'd let you guys know what we've been up to today. Still got green peppers, and that's what we've gone through as far as the tomatoes go so far.
Good evening, everybody. I know I have not been on video doing much this week. It is the first week of homeschooling for our kids. That is taking up a lot of my time during the days. We decided to split them up and do hers, Bryn's in the morning, and do Seth in the afternoon. Which works okay, unless Bryn doesn't get her work done in the morning and has to carry it over into the afternoon, and then they're both doing school at the same time. And then today I had some running I had to do in town, so I wasn't home most of the day, so things got behind, and Mike's keeping up with everything great. He did a lot of fixing up in today. He took care of all the vegetables for the tomato sauce that's going in the kitchen, so big props to Mike. He's holding it down for me right now. I'm just having one of those days where I feel like I didn't get anything accomplished. Got laundry done. That's about it. And dinner. I guess that counts too, right? But just wanted to say goodnight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Not a lot happened today. All the fixing things that Mike did. Tomorrow, I know there's more laundry, more school. I need to get some grass cutting done because it's starting to get too tall again real quick. But tomorrow's another day. We'll see how it goes. Everyone have a good night.